Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy snack. Okay, so we're going to make roasted chickpeas today. So you're going to need a cookie sheet like this, and you want to spray it with your cooking spray, just so that our chickpeas don't stick. We're going to need some ranch dressing seasoning, some ranch seasoning, Parmesan cheese grated, chickpeas of course, and olive oil. Now let me explain to you. You can use whatever seasonings you like. I'm just going to use the ranch dressing and the Parmesan cheese today, but it would be good with if you just wanted like a salt and pepper taste. You could put garlic powder, onion powder on there. Any kind of seasoning you can put on this. It's up to you and what you like. And this is a great healthy recipe. So this is something else you could do with chickpeas. You don't always have to make hummus out of chickpeas. This is another way that we can transform our chickpeas into a delicious, scrumptious snack. Really, that's what this is going to end up being, a delicious, scrumptious snack. So I'm going to show you this new way. And again, I can't stress it enough, especially during this time when we have coronavirus going on. Please make sure your hands are always washed with soap and water. I cannot stress that enough. This is why we have coronavirus, because people out there are nasty. When are we going to learn to stop being nasty? Wash your hands. Okay? And while you're at it, brush your teeth too, because no one likes to smell stink breath. Okay? I'm just saying. So, we're going to get started. Give me a second, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have drained my chickpeas, and you have to rinse them. So you want to rinse them until you see that the water runs clear. Okay, so I have them in a colander, and that's what you want to do it in a colander. Okay, so now that we have drained our chickpeas, we want to kind of pat them dry like this, and I have them sitting on paper towels. Okay, and we also, there's like a little shell on the outside of the pea, and you want to take that off. So that one fell off, and most of them, well, not most of them, but sometimes they'll fall off after you've rinsed them. And it's just a light coating that's on the outside of the pea, and so that's what you want to take off. It's real easy. You can feel it, and it just comes right off, just like that. And there you have your pea without that outside coating. And I'm going to show you this again. You see, I'm going to take that off. That's all we're going to do. And there you go. And here we go. And so this is the only hard part about this, is really just it's not hard, it's tedious. Just taking off that little shell part off of all of these peas. It's just tedious, that's all. But I'm gonna finish doing this, and then I'll show you our next step once I get it all clear, because I just really want this this chickpea, because if I don't take that off, it's not going to roast up to be nice and crunchy. And what we're looking for is a nice crunchy snack like a nut. And because chickpeas have a nutty taste, you're going to get that nutty crunchy flavor from that. Okay, so let me finish taking the shell off, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have taken the little shell or whatever off the chickpeas. I've dried them. Now what I'm ready to do is put them out on my cookie tray. So I'm going to spray my cookie tray just like this. That's all you need. And then I'm going to spread them out like this. You want to just spread them out just like that. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to sprinkle some olive oil first. That's what I have to do. I'll put the olive oil on here. There we go. Because we want them to get nice and crunchy. So I'm going to just kind of roll them around in the olive oil. Now I know I sprayed the pan so it'll have some oil from the pan, but I want them to get coated with the olive oil so that they'll be able to get nice and crunchy the way I want it to. So I have my oven already set to 400, which is where you want it to be set for this, to make this meal, well, it's not really a meal, to make this snack nice and crunchy. Okay, so and then so you have it, your oven set for 400, and you cook them for 15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle my ranch seasoning on here, and when I tell you this is good, oh my goodness, I made this a few weeks ago. Oh my goodness, and if you like chickpeas, you are going to love this. It is delicious. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. So now we have that. So now I'm gonna use some of this Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna roll it around again because I want every one of these chickpeas coated with everything. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna roll it around again because I want them all coated in all the deliciousness I have on here. I mean, this is just some special deliciousness, and I'm telling you, you guys are going to love this. You cannot get a better snack that's healthy, it's good for you, than this with that crunchiness. So if you're looking for something crunchy, you know how sometimes you want a snack and you want it to be nice and crunchy and have a good taste to it. This is your snack. It's healthy. You don't have to bother with potato chips. Make this. This is going to give you a nice crunch. It's healthy. It's delicious. Okay? So I'm going to pop this in the oven for 15 minutes, and then I'll show you what we have once we're done. Okay, we are back 15 minutes later. Here are my roasted chickpeas, and when I tell you they are delicious, you have a nice nuttiness, you have a nice crunch to it, and the seasonings and the flavor is there. Again, you can use whatever kind of flavor you like. You know, if you want salt and pepper, use salt and pepper. If you want onion and garlic, use onion and garlic. Whatever your flavor taste is, use it. Whatever you feel like, use it. But it is so delicious and it's crunchy. Yes, it's a delicious snack. So, and it has a little bit of that caramelization on there, I guess, from the oven, and the this cooking spray and the olive oil. So good. It gives you that nice crunch that you're looking for when you're in the mood for something crunchy. So here are our roasted chickpeas. So if you've enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and if there's something you'd like to see me make, let me know. I'll do my best to try to make it for you. Until next time, be healthy, be safe, and be blessed. Bye.